When you learn to align yourself with the energy of the universe, something magical begins to happen. Your desires stop being distant thoughts and start becoming real experiences. And today, I want to show you how to make the universe respond to your requests more quickly, in a clear, practical, and deeply spiritual way. Before anything else, remember this. The universe does not respond to your words. It responds to your vibration. And the speed at which your desires manifest depends exactly on that, on what you vibrate, what you feel, and how much you trust the process. Clarity is power. Ask with true intention. Everything begins with clarity. The universe does not respond to confused requests. So before you ask, stop, breathe, and ask yourself, what do I really want? Not what you think you should want, not what others expect, but what your heart deeply desires. Write down your request. Describe the details. How do you want to feel when it arrives? What will your life look like once this manifestation is complete? Clarity accelerates. Confusion delays. The vibration of the desire already fulfilled. Here is one of the greatest secrets of the law of attraction. The universe responds much faster when you vibrate as if you have already received it. You don't attract what you want. You attract what you are. So close your eyes for a few seconds. Imagine the final result. Imagine yourself living exactly what you asked for. Feel the emotion, relief, joy, pride, peace, expansion. The more real that emotion becomes within you, the faster the universe finds pathways to materialize it. Remove resistance. It is the greatest delay. Many people don't receive because they remain trapped in fear, doubt, and anxiety. These vibrations act like invisible walls between you and your desire. So observe your thoughts. Will this work? What if it doesn't? Do I even deserve this? When these thoughts arise, take a deep breath and mentally repeat, I am worthy. I am capable. What is mine is already on its way. Releasing resistance is one of the most important steps to accelerate the process. The practice of detachment. Trusting the flow. This may surprise you, but holding on too tightly slows everything down. When you become desperate for something to happen, you send the universe a vibration of lack. And lack creates more lack. So after you ask, trust, relax, let go of control. Allow the universe to do its work. Detachment is not giving up. Detachment is trusting. Inspired action. The universe responds through pathways. Many people think manifestation is only mental, but it's not. The universe works with energy, but also with opportunities. When you are aligned, signs begin to appear. An idea, an impulse, a coincidence, an unexpected invitation, a path you hadn't noticed before. This is your part. Act when something inside you says go. Small inspired actions accelerate big results. Routines that strengthen your energy and speed up manifestations. If you want your desires to be fulfilled faster, create a coherent vibrational field every day. Here are 3 powerful practices. 1. Scripting. Write as if it has already happened. Early in the morning, write for 5 minutes describing your life as if your desire is already real. Include details, emotions, and gratitude. 2. Active visualization. Close your eyes for 2 minutes and imagine a short, clear, emotional scene. The more emotion, the faster it manifests. 3. Anticipated gratitude. Before sleeping, give thanks as if you have already received it. Gratitude attracts speed. The universe responds to your internal state. If you want speed, start by taking care of your inner world. The energy you emit is what opens the pathways. When you are at peace, confident, and vibrating in abundance, everything arrives faster. So take care of your vibration. Do what makes you happy. Practice stillness. Walk outdoors. Take deep breaths. Celebrate small victories. The better you feel, the faster manifestations happen. Signs that your manifestation is close. When the universe is about to deliver, you begin to notice. Repeated synchronicities, sudden ideas, unexpected encounters, a feeling that something good is coming. Opportunities appearing out of nowhere, the urge to organize your life, internal shifts without explanation. These signs indicate You are aligned. Keep going. The universe always responds. Even when it seems slow, even when you don't see anything happening, the universe is never still. There is always something moving in your favor. Accelerating the process is not about forcing the result. It's about aligning your mind, your energy, and your actions. Ask with clarity. Feel with truth. Release with trust. Act with inspiration. And allow the universe to surprise you. Because when you align, what once felt distant draws near. What once seemed difficult becomes possible. And what you desired from the heart arrives much faster than you imagine. And remember, everything you seek already exists in potential within the universe. The only bridge between desire and reality is your internal state. When you choose to vibrate in trust, clarity, and gratitude, you become a powerful magnet. And the universe will inevitably respond. So, if this video touched your heart, if it brought clarity, strength, or hope, allow this energy to keep expanding. Like this video, share it with someone who needs this message, and subscribe to the channel to continue receiving content that elevates your soul and strengthens your connection with the universe. Because here, together, we are building a lighter, more awakened consciousness, aligned with all that is sacred. And now, take a deep breath, feel the energy of your desire already fulfilled, and allow the universe to take care of the rest. What is yours is already on its way.